Alright, welcome to my shop. I'm out here and fixing to turn some more pins. I always got my tools just shoved under here like this and never seem to be where I need them. So, I got one of these Rockler tool holder for my lathe. Let's open it up and put it on the lathe and see how it works out. Pretty simple, black plastic tray. Pretty good heavy metal. So what do you think? Think we should look at the directions and see how to put this together? Maybe just this once. Oh, let's see. Apparently this goes through there and into there. Right back to your screwdriver. Okay. Alright. Since I don't turn a whole lot of things that are a real bit long, I'll just stick it down at this end. You simply put it Oh yeah, that's going to work out just fine. Maybe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let's see if I can work the bugs out of this. Take care, see you next time. Okay, here it is all set up, ready to use. Got my most common, which are these carbide tip ones I use all the time. These others I use on occasion. I'm not really good at sharpening, so they don't get used a whole lot. But I think I'm going to like this. They're right here. Grab them, use them, put them back. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. You got tools laying all over the place. Throw them on the floor again.